video we will learn how to add a text on a circular body. So first step is to click on model and make it okay. Now we have to select the sketch, means on which plane you want to work. You can work with XY, XZ or even YZ. I usually prefer the XY axis, so click on sketch. Now select the plane or face of plane, then click on XY plane and make it okay like this one. Okay. Now for the circular body, select a circle, okay, then extrude it. Select a circle having this as the origin point and make a circle of diameter 100. Okay, now finish it and bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Make it isometric view. Now select the extrude command and extrude this circle. Okay, now select the curve, select this curve. Now vector should be in upward direction. Okay, it is. Now the distance should be 0 to 80. Make it 0 to 80. Boolean should be none and draft should be none, and make it okay like this one and bring it to isometric view like this. Now we have to make a text on this surface at the center. Okay, so go to curve. Here you will get a offset curve. Okay, now we have to offset the curve, means the second curve or same to same. Okay, select this curve. Now from here, though there are the three types. Okay, so select sketch. Now there should be a 3D axial directions. So because we distance, you can only work with x-axis. In 3D axial you can work with x, y or even z. So select the 3D axial. Now specify the direction should be upwards, means z. Now the distance should be the half of the extrude of 80, so the distance should be of 40. So it will automatically curve at the center and make it okay like this one. Curve have been created at the center. Now hide this one. Okay, now we have to work along this curve. So in the curve you will get a text. Okay, now select the text. Now you have to select the face. There are the three types: planar, contour, on face. So you have to work on this face, so click on face. Now select the face, select this face. Okay, now the placement method. There are two methods of placement: section plane and curves on face. Because we have derived a curve, so we have to work on curves on face. So what, select the curve, select this curve. Okay, now we have to take, suppose this same to same. Okay, Siemens NX, make it SIEMENS, Siemens NX like this one. Now you can change the font from here, Arial and Narrow or something, take an Arial Narrow. Now we have to main focus on this dimensioning. Okay, now offset means the distance of the text from this line. Okay, make it 0, then it will take from the 0. Let's see where the text, let's rotate it. Okay, there is the text. Okay, 0 means that origin should be of this point. You can reverse the direction of this from here. Up and down means the z direction. Reverse the direction from here. If you want to reverse the direction in x-axis, reverse from here. Okay, let's see where is the this reverse direction. If you want to reverse in x direction, okay, like this one. Okay, now this one, it has been created. Now go again down and reverse. You can see also in z direction like this one, it has been created, right? Siemens NX. Now the offset means the distance of the text from that curve. If it's 0, then make it -1. Okay, then it will go down. Because we have to create in the center, this should be the half of the height. Make the height at 8, then the offset should be of -4. Take it -4 from here. The height or the length of the text. Okay, make the length of the text to something 80. You can see it has been, make it to 35 like this one. It has been created like this. Make it 79. You can choose the height of the text as according to your choice. Okay, now make it okay like this one. The text has been created. Now we have to divide the face of the created face and the this text. So go to menu, here is insert. You will get an option in the trim, divide the face. Okay, now you have to divide the face. Select the face, make the single face from here. Select this face. Now the divide the option, select object, select this S. Now select this I, reverse the direction from here. Now select this I, then E, select whole text from here. Okay, okay, now select I, then select E, then select M. Now select E, then again N, select whole text similarly. Okay, now last N, then X. Okay, like this one. Now the projection direction should be normal to face or along vector. You can do it as per your choice and make it okay like this one. Now the face of the original and the Siemens has been divided. Okay, now go to home again. Here you will get an offset of offset region, means the text should be offset. Let's see how to do this. Select the face, then select this text of S. make it -1, then it will go inside. Okay, like this one. Now select I, select the face, make it apply. Okay, then again select the face, select all the faces, I, E, M, E, N, S, then again N, N, X, make it to -1. Okay, now let's apply it. Okay, now you can see that it has been created a text of Siemens NX. Okay, on that curve, at the center of the curve, you can make the Siemens NX and this, and measure the distance of the text and that center line. Okay, we have created the Siemens NX. Okay, for the rectangular you can go with our previous video. Okay, thank you.